Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the date of birth on your Gmail account or your Google account. If you want to see the birthday connected to your account, I'll walk you through the steps in this video. You can follow these steps on your iPhone, Android phone, laptop, or PC. Just open any browser you prefer and search for myaccount.google.com. Once you search for that, it will take you to this page. If you're already signed in, your account details will show up automatically. If not, you'll need to sign in first before you can access this page. Once you're signed in, click on Personal Info at the top. After clicking on Personal Info, scroll down and you'll see Birthday. Tap on that. Once you open the Birthday section, your date of birth will be displayed right there. You can also choose who can see your birthday. Set it to anyone if you want it visible, or keep it private so only you can see it. This information stays secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this.